Welcome to Mitson.com, your hub for Udemy discount coupons up to 100%. Need top freelancers for your business? Mitson has got you covered. Also, connect with expert instructors for enriching online classes. Start learning and growing today with Mitson.com. Do like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, I am from Mitson Learning and welcome to this video review of the Git and GitHub Bootcamp course on Udemy. If you're a developer or a tech enthusiast looking to boost your skills in version control using Git and GitHub, then this course is for you. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with the course, what you can expect from it, and whether it's worth your time and money. Course objectives. This course is designed to provide a comprehensive introduction to Git and GitHub, two of the most popular version control systems in the world. Here's what you'll learn. 1. Git fundamentals. You'll start with the basics of Git, learning how to install it, create repositories, make commits, and collaborate with others. 2. GitHub mastery. You'll then dive into GitHub, where you'll learn how to create repositories, contribute to projects, and use GitHub's powerful features like pull requests, issue tracking, and project wikis. 3. Practical projects. Throughout the course, you'll work on several hands-on projects to practice what you've learned. This includes creating a simple website, contributing to an open-source project, and more. 4. Advanced topics. You'll also explore advanced topics like Git branching strategies, Git workflows, and how to use Git on a team. Course content. Now, let's dive into the course content and see what you can expect from each section. Section 1. Git fundamentals. In this section, you'll get a high-level overview of Git and its architecture. You'll learn how to install Git on your system, set up your Git environment, and create your first repository. Section 2. Git basics. Here, you'll dive deeper into Git's fundamental concepts. You'll learn about repositories, commits, branches, and merges. By the end of this section, you'll have a solid understanding of how Git tracks changes in your codebase. Section 3. GitHub mastery. In this section, you'll shift your focus to GitHub. You'll learn how to create a GitHub account, set up your profile, and create new repositories. You'll also explore the GitHub interface and learn how to navigate through projects. Section 4. Git collaboration. Collaboration is a key aspect of Git and GitHub, and this section will teach you how to collaborate effectively with others. You'll learn about remote repositories, pushing and pulling changes, and using pull requests. Section 5. Practical projects. Now it's time to put your skills to practice with hands-on projects. In the first project, you'll create a simple static website and use Git to track changes, collaborate with others, and deploy the website to a server. Section 6. GitHub open source. In this section, you'll explore the world of open source software and how Git and GitHub facilitate open source collaboration. You'll find an open source project you're interested in, contribute to it using Git, and learn the etiquette of open source collaboration.
Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more information. See you in the next video.